Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen Id.4 PRO with top-of-the-line features. This sleek gray electric estate boasts 204 horsepower and a luxurious interior complete with Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and ambient lighting. Safety is a priority with ABS, airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, enjoy the convenience of remote audio controls, wireless charging, and more. Each vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this premium vehicle. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.